Need to create a Google Meet for work, school, or a personal video call? Google Meet lets you start an instant meeting or schedule one in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Meet, or launch the Google Meet app on your mobile device. Then sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. You'll need a Google account to create and host your own meetings. Before participants arrive, make sure your camera and microphone are working correctly. You can also turn either one off before joining if you prefer. Next, click the New Meeting button. Google Meet will display several options, including creating a meeting for later, starting an instant meeting, or scheduling a meeting in Google Calendar. Choose the option that works best for your situation. If you want to start immediately, choose Start an Instant Meeting. If you're planning ahead, select Create a Meeting for later to generate a shareable meeting link, or schedule the meeting using Google Calendar. Take a moment to pick the option that matches your needs. Once your meeting is created, you can add others it by email, messaging apps, or any communication platform you use. Or copy the meeting link and send it to the people you want to invite. Everyone with the meeting link can request to join, depending on your meeting settings. Checking everything ahead of time helps your meeting start smoothly. When you're ready, wait for participants to join using the invitation link. So your Google Meet is now live and ready to go. And that's how to create a Google Meet. Whether you're hosting a business meeting, an online class, or a family video call, creating a meeting only takes a minute. Sharing the meeting link early gives everyone plenty of time to join without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.